Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you guys a Maggi recipe which is unique, which is yummy and which is very quick. It is a mixture of two flavors loved by one and all. Yes guys, I'm talking about cheesy pasta style Maggi and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So don't forget to try this at your home and do share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. If you want to know how to prepare this cheesy Italian style Maggi at home, then please keep on watching the video. For the recipe of cheesy pasta Maggi noodles, start by taking 2 cups of water in a pan. As the water boils, add Maggi to it. Let the Maggi boil till the time all of the water gets evaporated completely. Strain the Maggi out and wash it with cold water so that the cooking process of Maggi stops completely. Then add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to this and toss it really well so that the Maggi noodles do not stick to each other. In another pan, add about 1 tablespoon of butter to it. As the butter heats up completely, add about 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to this. And then toss in finely sliced onion into this. Let it saute for a while and then you can go ahead and add your favorite veggies to this. I'm using red and yellow capsicum and mushrooms. Then add 1 tablespoon of maida to this and give it a quick mix. And then add about 3/4 glass of milk to this. And give it a quick mix. We have to be really prompt at this step, else there are chances of lumps getting formed over here. Then add the remaining milk to the mixture. You have to keep stirring everything so that nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Add salt as per your taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix all of this together. Then add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh malai. You can also use fresh cream. We are doing this to add to the creaminess of the sauce. And then finally toss in the boiled Maggi noodles. Then add Maggi taste maker to this and give it a nice stir using a fork. I am using a fork so that the Maggi noodles do not break. Let it boil for a minute and two, and our cheesy pasta Maggi noodles are ready. Top this with Italian seasoning and chili flakes and enjoy. Guys, I hope you liked this recipe. Do let me know in the comments down below how did you like today's recipe. You can share your recreations with me on my social media handles. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.